contribution. Kaya palagi, hanat dito laban kay Karb. And my aim in life is to become a independent woman. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and cooking. My aim in life is to be a famous
So hello family, ang ton hanta, arning sam kami kardom de hawla pen. Laso vlogs long pulutang the di ningarong pik kupi poloma pulutang te ili Karbi tum te di non ge thek pik pak lo mate lam da ningje thek o alo amat si laso vlogs long mai kupi si ningje dai ma pulutang te ala intro long tanang pak lang alo la pen thumbnail title long ta lason si tok mati di ton te blog sa bang lang pono mati video bang lang pono de ho la pen interesting pigan jiti kardom arning sam ke mi ang ton hanta de ho.
Karbi Youth Festival to each and everyone present here. My name is Genu Baby. My contestant number 19. I am coming from a beautiful place, Holy Karbi. I am 20 years old. I am pursuing my undergraduation, BA third semester at Genu Government College. My aim in life is to become a good professor. My hobby is reading books, dancing, and modeling. That's all about me. Thank you. Have a wonderful night. Good evening to all the respected judges and to all my fellow contestants and to the beautiful people that are present here tonight. My name is Mira Therapy. I am from the Therapy village. I am your contestant number 20 and my hobbies are Madam Nagsusangon, Pusar, Manping ito kiti, Tim Sumar, ato mapambuan sa kami, hinihimpit, hindi ko kaya kahili, Karbi Riso Nimso, Rong ate, akardong ng pajirito, kardom! Nilimen, sami, Rosimar Rong Pipi, nilirong laki, Dipu Rong Piso, nilikasari laki, Dipu Government College, Lapen, nilikitya masay laki, Apoy Dorothy Ahut, Henry Kapangkir, Lapen, Pusar, Nun lang tumbo katatangsi, Nilisning Kehan. Lapen nilikay ng Genang laki, Nisem lo Tanggampi. Pansi, Cipatilia Lampi, Ripon Iteklo, Suru. Kardom Tinaga! Nililan Sami, Beauty ng Karbi! Kardom ang pajirito, kardom. Nilimen sami mondir dalampi, Lapen komen, harting kerang, Lapen payamen, Riso Kimi, Lapen inahang ketegarong, Lapen muka roranting, Tiarong, Lapen nili arta niman preser, nili arta. Kardom Ratinjalakna. A very warm good evening to respected judges and to all present here tonight. My name is Arjuna Kropi. I am your contestant number 24 from a very beautiful place called Tekelangjun. I am 21 years young and currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from the Department of History at the Government College. In my free time, I enjoy dancing and crocheting. My ultimate goal is to become a history professor. Last but not least, I'm a person who strongly believes that a beauty pageant is a huge platform or a vast platform where you can showcase your talent, knowledge, and culture. So, I'm here tonight to gain more confidence. Remember, everyone is unique and beautiful in their own way. So, embrace your uniqueness and let it shine. Thank you and have a wonderful night ahead. Kardom Ratinjalakna. Nilimen sami Risimori Dipi. Lapen nili arta kage nikan presirke. Lapen nili domuka ahitira gerahi. Lapen te nili Johan Medical College lo first year MBBS student lo. Lapen te nili aponi do kami arjan jari nili nikahangi. Lapen nanitung dan bahas kami ni karong pendak nasi tinggal lapen nang du dikopan ni nak sore pune kardom Ratinjalakna. Initially, I wish a very happy 32nd Karbi Youth Festival 2024 and a very A pleasant evening to respected judges, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear fellow contestants, and to the organizer of Miss Tekelangjun 2024. I am Marilyn Intipi, your contestant number 26, and a proud representative of Jampang Langsung, Sising New Village, Dima Assam. And talking about my hobbies, I am fond of cooking, singing, and listening to music. And about my education, I am currently pursuing my AGES first year at Don Bosco Senior Secondary School, Genu. Last but not the least, I don't believe in miracles, but I believe at hard work because a person may able to achieve their dreams through hard work. Thank you, and have a wonderful and pleasant evening ahead. Hello and everyone to be all present here. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Riso Kimi. I am 21 years old. I am from Interlude village, Genu. My every life is to become a modeler. My hobbies are reading books and listening to music. That's all about myself. Thank you. And all present here. My name is Riso Kimi, contestant number 5. And I'm from the village where we sell and my hobbies are singing and dancing. And my aim in life is to become a doctor. And all of Thank you and enjoy the show, Kardom. Kardom tekelangjun. Good evening, judges. I'm Genu of Karbi of class 12. I am from Contestant village, Contestant. My contestant number is 6. My hobbies are playing keyboard and singing too. My aim in life is to become a good musician. Thank you. name is Malintiropi. I am from Bulacan. My hobbies are traveling, cooking, teaching, listening music, and I love singing too. And my aim in life is to become a independent woman. Thank you, and have a joyful evening ahead, everyone! Hi, hello everyone! First of all, I would like to say respected judges and all the audience. Good evening everyone! And this is my first participation in Miss Tekelangjun 2024. And my lovely name is Miss Adita Teronti. And my contact number is 9. And I belong from Mongal Sing Family. And I love reading, dancing, and modeling. Thank you. Kardom, Aki-hi-pi, na-penpini ladak, long prana tayo long, nagitutong biharap doan ang pansamit, nilihimpen, ardi kang sa makardom pajir iglo, kardom. Nilimen, samin serita kilimpi, niliarta ingkoy raisi, nilirong alien lake, bhek kilim, birvar denano. Military bombardier, GNM first year, lake, military bombardier lake, GNM training school, before Karbi anglong. Genu, Tiklan di kehamasun. Tekan, Lo Charlie, Lapen, Hemasai Tiklan Dinhan. Lili kehamasun lake, Mars mate, Riso Kimi dia kemapan kila mabanti. Pindeng di pindeng, apindeng kumpot lake. Soya kino. Ibu kejo atiba. Ibu kejo atibi. Napendo pulan. Bangkok. Dopulan. Dopalatahu. Nek sikir. Nek Ankara. Napendo pulan. Ini. Tujuh abangnya. Joki performansi. Ini suri dunia. Engkau yang dianingkan. Ini siapa ini? Ini tekelangjun. Seperti aganti. Jadi kami cerita ini hot ani dan kardom.
And my
good evening. My name is Riso Kimi. I'm from Mongal Family. My age is 16 years and my hobbies are dancing, singing and cooking. My aim in life is to be a famous model. Thank you. My name is Sunita Inti. I am my hobbies are cooking, dancing, ecology, indoor gardening, and I love singing too. My aim in life is to become a woman of value, and I am standing here tonight in front of you all is to boast of myself confidence. Because I believe that beauty is not just all about physical appearance, but also about inner strength, confidence, and the ability to bring positive effect into the world. Thank you and have a wonderful evening to all. Kardom. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Karbi. I am from a beautiful place near village, and my hobby is cooking, dancing, and singing music. And my aim in life is to become a very successful independent woman. Thank you. A very good evening to respected judges and to everyone present here tonight. I'm your contestant number 15. My name is Jasmine from BP. I'm from Genu. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts at Mongal College. According to me, I believe that beauty is not just about appearance, but it's about the confidence and the ability to inspire others. Talking about my hobbies, I love swimming,